Hi little ones, let's pick a bus for school. The yellow one.
Why can't we make it blue?
Yes, blue is fun. Now let's invite our animal friends to come along. Hi giraffe, let's hop on the bus. Which seat should we take? The window seat. Yeah, let's buckle up to stay safe. Zoom, zoom, let's go shopping for school. Hi everyone, I need a shopping cart. That's it is. Let's get a school bag and a dress for me. And a soft blanket with a fluffy pillow for me. Time to pay. Bye bye. Let's hop back on the bus. Now let's pick our next friend. Hey, it's Panda. Let's sit and buckle up. Oh, what's that? Silly ships. Let's beep beep and move them aside. Hi everyone.
Hello.
We need a picture for our school card.
Which type of picture do you want for your school card? Please let me know.
Oh, sure. Come here for the picture.
Mr. Lion, can you help us please? We need it quickly. Can we make it pink?